Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to add row. So as example I will create tables at this column. The next you can add number like 1, 2 and I will click into here. Now if you want to add row at these points, this row, you can select the row and right click, choose the insert. So it will be add a row. If you want to add more rows, like into 3 rows, you can click like from these points, 3 rows, and then you can right click and then click again insert. So it will be add 3 rows. So the add row based on your selectings in the row. Like I will select 2 in here, right click and click insert to add 2 rows. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to add a row. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.